Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 308 in the active specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. But on top of this, you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. It's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine. It gives you 130 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done less than 5,000 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.